Are you really a believer? There's a question. If you place your identity over his, you believe more in yourself than you do him, therefore you've turned yourself into a competitive demigod. The larger the volume of you using the words I and my is a direct correlation to your own willingness to compete with God yourself as a demigod against him. My talents, my goal, my bank balance, I want, I have, all of that is like I am. Whereas if you start with God, then focus on serving his children with how they want you to serve them, regardless of how you view yourself, you will never lose. And you will always be working in partnership with God, with his grace, with his favor, within his structure, his order, his way of the world working. If you want to make lots of money, forget what you're good at and focus on making lots of money. And what you're good at is probably not what you will be able to make lots of money from. There's actually another thing that you can become good at that will make you significantly more money. So go and find the people who you can hang out with the most at the rugby club, at the pub, whatever it is. Listen to what they talk about, listen to what they whine about, listen to things that they would love to spend money on, and go and figure out how the stuff they would love to spend money on, you can give them a better version at the same price for. I think you could try and find the eye through the needle of finding that fulfillment thing as well. But maybe that thing becomes fulfilling over a period of time. It's a struggle to start with because it's like lifting weights when you're weak. It kind of hurts and sucks. But when you get good at it, and when you get the rewards from it, actually it becomes enjoyable. Like they get the fruits from it. But the value of your business idea, anybody's business idea, is almost worthless unless the customers keep pestering you and going, hey, come do this. Hey, I want that from you, right? Because if you have 100 people or even 10 people are like, hey, when can I have this from you next? I really want this. And they're not your friends or your family, the people who kind of have to say that stuff to you, right? There's the friends and family who always like pat you on the back and they'll be your best customers and whatever else. Not those people, like the people beyond that, right? The random strangers who they get to, oh, like she does this, and they like bump into you like, oh, you're the person who does this. Where can I buy it from? When can I have it? Can I come today? The fulfillment then doesn't come from making pens. The fulfillment comes that excitedly these other human beings keep coming to you and saying, oh, you do this and I hear it's really cool and I really can have one and I can buy one. You can really help me with this. Can I have one? And the human experience needs to become the fulfillment, your relationship with them, not the how many pens can I make or am I good at making pens. It's the human experience. That's where the fulfillment comes. You ever thought like how many positive Google reviews you can get? You go on Google and you're like, oh, they worship me, this is great. And that's what I'd say to a non-believer is like, follow the money. And so following the money is like, what is it that your ideal customer group, a group of people is most quickly, easily and willingly to sell their possessions, like a Cash Crusaders or on eBay or something like that, in order to desperately buy the thing that you've got off you and keep buying it off you. Like that's the money, right? Follow the money. And then you'll be successful in business. Where most people do is they say, I'm great at making candles, but I don't want to go to farmers markets and I want to make candles that smell of bleach because I really like it. And then all the customers are like, oh, candles that smell of bleach, you've got to have a laugh. And even if I did want them, I never get to see you. And they burn out and they fade and do whatever else in like 16 seconds. Like, it's not a very good candle. I don't want one of those. Give them what they want. Simple as that.